In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a trailer hitch detection range adjustment on a 2017 Nissan Maxima using the X-431 throttle. First select Nissan. To confirm the software, select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm van and select OK. Select automatic selection. Confirm van, model, year and select OK. Select system selection. Select sonar. System info, select OK. Select system function. Select trailer hitch detection range adjustment. System info asterisk, please read asterisk, select OK. You can make range adjustments from this screen with the options at the bottom of the screen. The value will change according to the adjustment. Once finished, select the back button. And that's how you perform a trailer hitch detection range adjustment on a 2017 Nissan Maxima.